We also use at the Cliffs the web version of Maestro, which is really handy for our telecommuting and our remote users. They don't have to establish a VPN session, connecting to the server, do all that. They can just go to a website, load it up, and they are presented with an interface that's 90% the same as a desktop.
It's not just about the system. It's about the people behind the scenes who deliver the system to you. It's service, it's courtesy, it's friendliness, it's being welcomed. And Maestro has all those qualities when we talk to them. Their product is superior because their service is superior. You will get an answer for support 24 hours a day.
How great is it to say, a guest books with us, my team are really service providers, memory makers. There's so many repeat guests that come to the hotel, but they can come and book their accommodation, they can book their spa. We have a wine trolley tour that is booked through the shuttle service and the spa and activity management module. And all these things will enable the guests to have a more seamless experience, even either on their itinerary, their confirmation, their guest folio, and what those charges represent. And again, less margin for error. Some of our new team that's been hired and trained in our reservation, we use every little ability to program as much as we can in a Maestro to eliminate paper. So because we're multi-property, people are saying, how do you train your sellers to understand and know every hotel so intimately with all the different guest types and room types? And well, right in every bedroom, the manager has programmed the full room description, the color code, the unique features, and the packages. They use all the rate text to describe everything. So when the guest service person is on the telephone with our guest, it seems very unscripted and very natural to read right from the system. This room includes this. I'm happy to let you know this package offers this. And it feels very natural. So it looks like the training has been done kind of to the next level. Maestro is definitely a solid product to invest in. It has multi-facets to accommodate the different legs of your business. And my key focus is making sure that I protect the revenue for the company. So this tool has the ability for us to monitor and track our revenue effectively. It allows us to drill down and actually learn from kind of the data right from the guest.
We decided to go to Maestro just over 7 years ago, and it was a long selection process. We investigated several different things, but our keystones to make that decision were flexibility and integration.
Well, it's always making progress. It's obviously a very robust platform, very feature-rich software, which certainly is something that we need. Our operation demands that the package building be very complex and that software accommodate a large number of room types. Maestro does those things and is always growing to meet new needs.
With Maestro, we always just do our trainings, just hop right in, everybody helps everybody out. It's not so complicated that you need to have a formal sit down. You can kind of just play around with it, have people walk you through, answer questions. And I mean, that's how I learn, that's how I've been training everybody else to learn. And yeah, it seems to be working pretty well for us. At Stein Eriksen Lodge, we're always trying to get the best possible guest experience, no matter what the situation is. If it's a family coming in the winter to go skiing, or if it's somebody coming in for a conference, we always want them to leave just feeling that wow moment. And with Maestro being able to have those GEM surveys. It lets us tailor. If there's an issue that pops up and it keeps popping up, then it has that kind of real-time feedback that we can go back in and really work on it, that we wouldn't be able to know otherwise. We can really get ahead of any problem more so than any other way that I can envision, and having that real-time feedback with GEM is pretty awesome. The customer service with Maestro has been awesome for me, coming from somebody who really just started to know the program, and there would be times where I was the only manager on property really, and it was just, all right, good luck, and then I had a question and couldn't get a hold of anybody else, called Maestro. They were there, they helped me they walked me right through whatever issue it was. And then with the support that I'm getting with setting up some of the new technology that we're implementing, that you guys are developing for us, it's been great. Couldn't say better things.
Well, some of the best stuff in Maestro that I enjoy, now I'm a controller, is the mobile stuff, the tech stuff, the social media. I love analytics. Some of the staff improvements have been housekeeping use the app on their own personal smartphone.
The product we used before was very slow, and it wasn't as interconnected as we would have liked it to be. So this allows the quick transition between properties. It allows them to flip between room types, which is a really great option for them. And while you're on a 20-minute reservation call, since they take dining, spa, activities, rooms, all in one phone call, that can really make a huge difference, having that ability to switch back and forth and sell the guest on multiple of our properties at once, as well as multiple things. See the spa module directly through the reservation and book an activity at the same exact time.
My experience with Maestro has been overwhelmingly positive. Just everyone is so nice when you call in to support. They never make you feel like stupid, lack of a better word. They're always just so kind, and they're so quick about answering any kind of questions you might have. And it's so refreshing, because most companies that you call, especially IT or any kind of technical companies, they're not usually like that. So it's really a great experience.